Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you a short Cricut Design Space tutorial. What we're going to look at today is how to curve text using the curve text feature in Cricut Design Space. So this is going to be short and sweet, so stick around. Okay, so here on our screen, I already have written out the word happy anniversary. Now what I would like to do is I would like to curve this text with happy on top, a heart in the middle, and anniversary on the bottom. And I'd like it to be curved up, down, with the heart in the center. So the first thing that we have to realize is that the only time that you can curve text is a single line in Cricut. So if you had 3 or 4 lines here, it would not allow you to curve the text. So what I can do, because I would like these to be 2 separate lines, is I'm just going to double click. I'm going to move anniversary to its own line. Now I have 2 lines. You'll see that the curve option is not even available here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the advanced button right here and ungroup my item to lines. Now that gives me 2 separate pieces here. I also want to go ahead and select them, and I'm going to go ahead and align them center so I can see what it looks like with them even. So I'll move it down a little bit. Okay, so happy, I've clicked on that, and I'm going to go up here to the curve button. Now I can go up, making it flow around the text, or I can make it go in the negative numbers, which is going to make it go up the opposite way. So I'm going to look at this and I'm going to say, I think about 4 is probably good. So I'm just going to go ahead and type 4 in and click enter. And I like the way that looks, so I'm going to go ahead and just move that up top. I like to keep my curved text matching. So if I used 4 at the top, I'm probably going to use -4 on the bottom, just so the curve is the same shape on both of those. So I'm going to go up here, I've got anniversary selected. I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to type it in. I'm going to put -4. Okay, and that almost together could make a circle. I don't like how separated this text is. So I can reduce my letter space up here as much as I want until it gets as close as I'd like to see it get. The nice thing is that even if you have already curved the text, it still lets you edit it. Like I can go in and I can go ahead and change the font if I'd like while it is already curved, and I really like that feature. So I could use that, make it larger, you know, however that I would like to do that. In fact, I kind of like that font. So I think I'm going to change happy to animal crackers as well, because it's just really cute. So I'm going to make that larger. So I had made this one 100 and let's just say 175. Let's make that one 175 so they match, because I'm all about matching. All right, so then I'm going to select them. I'm going to use the align tool to center them. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so then I want to add my shape in here. I just want to put a simple heart. And oh, nice. I want to have it in the middle. I'm going to change the color. I still go over to the right for the color. I never can remember they changed that the colors are up here now. So I'm going to change it to red. And now I'm like, oh, I think I like that. I think that looks great. I could make this more curved if I want to see it go wrap more around the heart. You could actually curve it to where maybe it lines up all the way around the heart, and then happy. So that was -5.07. And we're going to go to the positive 5.07. That would be the same diameter as the anniversary. So we could do it like that, maybe move the heart up. And then of course I'm all about making it centered, so I'm going to center those. You can just do like that. Or maybe I want to add, let's take this heart and let's just duplicate it twice. Okay, I'm going to take this one, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to select them, I'm going to make them a lot smaller. And then I'm just going to throw one right here and throw one right there. There we go. So I could put this on my card, I could put this on a little sign, whatever that I decided that I wanted to do with it. Curving text is super easy in Cricut Design Space. Now I believe they are working on some compatibility with iPads, iPhones, and the Android app. So just know that you might have to look into this. So I'm using a desktop computer and all of the compatibility is there. It works just fine on a desktop. And so there you go. Obviously, I'm probably going to clean this up a little bit before I actually use it, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how to use the curved text in Cricut Design Space. Hopefully this was quick and easy for you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you hit the little bell as well, it will notify you every time that I upload a new video. So thank you again for stopping by. This is Angela signing out. Bye guys.